In this video, I am going to share a Nexlev coupon code, which will provide you a flat 25% discount on your order. To get started, head over to nexlev.io using the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Now, simply click on the Get Started button. Nexlev offers different products for YouTube creators. For now, I am going to choose the Nexlev Niche Finder, as this is the most popular tool by Nexlev. I will click on this Learn More button here, and then I will click on Find Niche button. Here, I'll have to select a plan. I will choose this one for now. This will cost me $510. Next, I will have to create a new account or simply log in to my existing Nexlev account. Once I do that, I will be taken to the checkout page of Nexlev, where I will have to make the payment. Here, you'll see this promo code section. Here, you'll need to paste this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. I will also leave this coupon code in the description so that you can easily copy it. And once I hit the apply button, you can see that it has given me a 25% discount on my order. And now I only need to pay $423 for this niche finder tool. This coupon code has saved me $140 on my order. And now I only need to enter my payment info here and then make the purchase. This coupon code works with Every Nexlev Products. But make sure to use the first link down below in the description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest offers of nexlev.io, so make sure to use that link. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.